Gram staining is a basic staining which differentiate bacteria into two groups, gram positive and gram negative bacteria. The difference is in the composition of gram positive and gram negative cell walls, and peptidoglycans is more in gram positive and less thin layer in gram negative bacteria. These are all the materials required for gram staining, the inoculating loop for bacterial culture transfer, glass slides, and the bacterial cultures in petri plate. And the stain contains crystal violet, also known as a primary stain, gram iodines, known as a mordant for intensifying the crystal violet, and 95% ethanol that act as a
And
decolonizes.
safranin that act as a counter stain and stain those bacteria that did not retain the crystal violet iodine complex.
Take a clean glass slide, wax free it by using 75% ethyl alcohol. Mark the slide with permanent markers for identification. Place a drop of sterile water on clean glass slides. Sterilize the inoculating loop by passing it by placing it on the flame until it becomes red hot. Then cool it and transfer the bacterial culture from the petri plate and then shift it to the drop of water on the slide. Make a thin smear of bacterial culture by mixing it with a drop of sterile water. Allow the slide to air dry, and after some time, heat fix the slide by passing the slide over the flames for 2 to 3 seconds. Crystal violet. Crystal violet is a primary stain. It stain both gram positive and gram negative bacteria. Apply few drops of crystal violet on the thin smear and wait for 30 seconds to 45 seconds. Then wash the slide in sterile water so that the stain gets off from the slide. Gram iodine. It acts as a moderant and it reacts with the crystal violet to make a crystal violet iodine complex. Apply gram iodine on the smear and leave it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, rinse the slide with distilled water so that most of the dye gets off from the slide. 95% ethanol. It acts as a decolorizer and add a few drops of ethanol on the smear and wait for 15 to 30 seconds and rinse it with sterile water. Safranin. It acts as a contrast stain and it stain those bacteria that were not stained by the crystal violet iodine complex, and add few drops of saffronin on smear and then wait for 45 seconds to 1 minute. After 1 minute, rinse the slide in sterile distilled waters so that most of the dye will remove off from the slide, and then dry it. Place a slide under a microscope by adding a drop of cedarwood oil and observe it under the microscope in oil immersion lens that is 100x. The results will be shown in two ways. The gram positive bacteria observed purple colored and gram negative bacteria observed pink.